Welcome to ShortView Trading. It's your morning market hit for Monday, 22nd of March. What matters today and this week for traders? Well, what a fascinating week it was last week. And as we were discussing Monday last week, markets often rally into the Fed and then fade after that. And that was very much the pattern we saw last week. A strongish Monday, a flattish Tuesday, and a rally on the Fed announcement on Wednesday, with the market making new highs overnight Wednesday night into Thursday morning's trading. Since then, of course, off sharply on Thursday, consolidating those losses on Friday. So the pattern played out as you would expect, helped by the Fed, helped by anticipated dovish message, and of course the dot plots, which took away some of the market's fears that they may start hinting at a hike out further out in a year or two, 2022 or 2023. So the market topped on the Fed and then sold off sharply on Thursday, despite that dovish message out of Jerome Powell. Buy the rumour, sell the fact. And of course, it wasn't just the S&P that was weak on Thursday. We saw the oil price down 7% on a single trading session, the Nasdaq down 3%, and so on and so forth. So the key question is, where do we go from here? How does this week play out? And as we talked about early on last week, our models were starting to generate a collective sell signal. And by Tuesday, Wednesday, that was very much across the board. Risk had been priced out, the market was greedy, not fearful, and models were pretty much on a collective sell. But as we start this week, the message of the models has clearly rolled over, but by no means is back at buy. And interestingly, if you look at something like the VIX, the candlestick chart we're putting up in front of you now, it put in a key day reversal on the bullish side for the VIX as of the back end of last week on Thursday. Now, of course, on the VIX, that means the VIX trend should be trending up for the next week or two. That's bearish for equities, bullish for volatility. And you can make similar sorts of comments about the put to call ratio. There's a distinct lack of downside protection in portfolios. And as I said, a number of our models generated clear sells middle of last week, early last week, and are now starting to move lower. But the key point here is they're by no means yet on buy. So this is going to be an interesting week with a new potential downside momentum trend set up as of Wednesday, Thursday last week. So to see how we're playing this, please see today's Daily Rag, available to subscribers via the website. In it, we update our 1 to 2 week views on equity index futures, all our key market timing models, and our day-by-day commentary and thoughts on where the market may well go from here and what's been playing out within the market internals themselves. That's available to subscribers via the website, or for a 7-day free trial, please sign up also via the website. Click on the link below. All you need to do is give your name and email address, no credit card details required, and we'll send you the Daily Rag for free for 7 days. So what are we watching this week? Well, there's a number of key themes. Firstly, flash PMIs on Wednesday, first take on economic activity across the globe for the month of March. Secondly, we got Powell and Janet Yellen testifying, joint testimony on Tuesday and Wednesday up on the Hill, talking about the CARES Act and the fiscal stimulus being played out. Then third, out of Europe, we got some IFO on Friday. IFO data is always a key data point. And we got Eurozone M3 money supply and monthly lending, always interesting. And then out of the States, we've got a number of pieces of housing data earlier this week, which will be key as well, given the softness we've seen in some of that in recent months in terms of US housing data. And then later in the week, we've got durable goods orders and personal income and spending. So that's it from us. That's your morning market hit for Monday, 22nd of March. Thank you for listening. Please do subscribe to these free videos. Simply search on YouTube under ShortView Trading, or follow us on Twitter, LinkedIn, and or Facebook. Thank you for listening. Stay safe. Trade well.